All right, so here is a little different look at one of these composite shapes, okay? If you notice here, we have a rectangle with like two other smaller rectangles cut out of it. Do you see that? So what we can do is we can think of this as finding the area of this whole big rectangle and then getting rid of or subtracting the area of these smaller rectangles. All right, so in the previous ones we've talked about, we've only found separate areas and then added them. In this case, we're going to find the total area, pretending like it didn't have holes in it, and then we'll subtract the area of the spots that look like holes. All right, let's try this. My daughter is sitting with me, helping me do this. Very helpful. All right, so we'll talk about that. Oh, she bumped my hand there. We'll talk about that big rectangle first. We write down the shape, then we draw the formula, which is going to be base times height. Base and height always meet at a right angle, and luckily we have some right angles here. Oh yeah, it attached to there because it can't attach to there. Thank you for that insight. So now we have the big rectangle, which is a 7 by 13 rectangle. So we're going to plug in that base and height, 13 and 7. 3 times 7 is 21, plus the 70, so that's 91 centimeters squared, or square centimeters. Then we have the little rectangle, and we have the really little rectangle. Both of those use the formula base times height. And sorry, my handwriting's a little bit messy because my Alethea here, my little girl, is bouncing up and down in my arm, so I apologize. Anyway, we are going to then find the area of this one up here, and that has dimensions of 4 and 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then we have this final shape here, which is 2 by 1. So we have 2 by 1. The area of that is 2. All right, so instead of taking all these areas and adding them up, we're going to take the total area there of 91, and we're going to subtract the other two areas, because 91 represents the square units that would fit all in here, right? But we don't want to include that. We don't want to include this area. All right, we kind of want to erase that area out of that 91.
Is that green?
Yeah, I have green, and now I'm drawing with this kind of purplish color, and I want to erase these two purple areas, or subtract those two purple areas. So the purple areas were 12 and minus 2, and then so that's like subtracting a total of 14. So 90 if I combine these two losses. So if I take away 14, I get 77. So the area of just that space that's shaded in yellow and green now is 77 centimeters squared, or square centimeters. Okay, so if there's a hole in a shape, you can find the area of the complete shape and then subtract the area of the holes. All right, hopefully that was clear. Thank you. Alethea, do you want to say bye?
Bye. Bye.
Say good luck.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, Sote's here too, my other child. He's my son. He's a math whiz, so next time I'll have him help out. All right, bye.